There's Jasper. Now, here's the situation. As you know, most cats like to chew cords. So buying a water fountain from Amazon or anywhere else um, is not the best thing if you have to plug it in. And then they chew the cord because they don't like, because that's what they do. Well, here is an inexpensive way to do this. The same thing. You see this right here? Now, here in Alaska, you have to trickle your water when it gets to low so the pipes don't freeze. Well, the best way to do this is you just take an ordinary bowl. You put it at the bottom of the sink and so on down the line. And don't worry, it doesn't flood the sink at all or anything like that, as long as you don't, as long as you make sure that the plunger is not on both sinks. All right, so this is water fountain number 1. Let's go to water fountain number 2 coming up. This is water fountain number 2. As you can see, this is my bathroom, as you could tell, because it has male stuff in here. And of course the cat is male too. Same scenario. Make sure that the plug is not on, otherwise you end up with a flood, and you don't want that, because then you got to mop and then you got to do all this other garbage. So, this is how you make a continuous waterfall without the cord and without having to pay $50 to people like Amazon and other retail companies that market the stuff, and you don't have to worry about cats chewing cords.